Today we're going to be screen printing a 6-color print in an orderly fashion. Good day to you and hi everybody, Jan Agosto here and welcome to Taino, and today we're printing a 6-color print. Wow, I'm gonna use the 6 head press for the first time on the Anatole Thunder. Wow, man. That's what we're gonna talk about, what colors go after each other. That's the other thing I'm gonna talk about today, but now we're gonna start setting up all these screens on the press. So the first thing that you do is pick up your film and align it up to the plan. Once you have that done, now you're gonna start bringing in every screen and put it on your press, and try to align as close as you can to the film. We'll register it after everything is done, but first, one by one, just get as close as you can. Clamp them up. Second, after it's done, then you come and get the cardboard, because we're messing with hoodies, so it's not the quarters. We need a little more higher off contact. So we're gonna use the cardboard and we're gonna do the off contact on all 6 screens. After all the off contact is done, now we're gonna start registering every screen to the film. So after all the 6 screens are all registered, do not remove the film. Go to the other platen, and that's where you're gonna start doing your little test runs, but leave that one there just in case you gotta come back and register something that is not falling in its place. Now after that, go get your tape and tape up all your screens. Next, put your palette adhesive, whatever you're using, the spray, the water-based liquid, or the PMI tape, whatever you're using, make sure you put it on all 6 palettes, the adhesive. Then, after that, now you wanna make sure that every palette is the same distance. So the way I do it is I'll take any little thing. I'm using a little spatula here, but you could use anything to just make sure that move your palette, that every palette is exactly almost the same. Okay, after that, it's time to set up the inks. The ink I'm using right now for the underbase will be from Screen Print Direct. I'm using the underbase white. Then after that, I'm gonna go with the navy blue. Then the sky blue, the metallic gold. Oh man, look how soft this ink is. Now the black, and finishing it off with my highlight white, which I'm using the white ink that I have, that I print everything on. It's one of the best inks, the perfect white from Wilflex. That's the highlight white. What you want to do is make sure the underbase, you only want to pass it maybe 2 strokes, but there's no flashing and there's no returning to it and pass again. The underbase is just to lighten up the dark fabric. A nice, clean underbase, just like that. Okay, oh man, I had to take off my hoodie. This aligning the navy blue to be evenly on the white was not easy, man. Was not easy. I had to go like about 6-7 times and try to figure out this micro registration, but it's ready. Okay, now clean it up and let's get ready for that sky blue. Oh yeah, yeah, nice. This came out just one try, but that navy blue, oh man, oh. Okay, erase the sky blue. Now let's try the gold. Let's see. See how it looks? Much better. Much better. I think I'm gonna have to move it a little more to my right. But so far so good. Okay, now the black. Oh, okay. Everything is completely registered properly. Well, we're not done. Now we gotta do a test run with all the colors on top of it and see if everything is just the way we just did it right now, registered. Not easy doing registration. When you're registering so many colors, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. That's why we charge a setup fee. Don't tell people I charge you for a screen. Don't do that. Tell them I'm charging a setup fee. So I'm ready for the test run. I'm gonna put a nice other shirt, something I could do. This is not the color, it's gonna be the hoodies, but I ain't testing nothing on no hoodies. But we're gonna give a little test run on this. Let's do this. Nice. Don't give it no second pass. This is just an underbase. The next one, the navy blue. Navy blue looks great. Okay, the next color, the light blue, sky blue. There it is. Flash. You're back. Now, when I was the next color is gold, but something I noticed was the gold came out real nice on the leaves, but on the hand, the white outline covered a lot of it. My fault for not separating that part out of the Photoshop, but now I'm not gonna go with the gold, I'm gonna go right to the black. So it goes the black, flash. There it is. Now I'm gonna do the highlight white, which I'm gonna have to flash because I'm leaving the gold for the last color. Woo! That looks beautiful. Flash. Back. So nice and flash. Now I'll come for the gold. My fault for not having it, testing it out, but that's what happens when you start flash on printing. Here it is. There goes the gold. Beautiful. Check this out. This came out great. Wow, man, beautiful, beautiful. The only problem I now have to leave the gold last because my highlight white was covering the gold in the hand, but perfect just like that. Right now you want to tape off all your registration marks and let's get printing. So those hoodies came out beautiful, man. They feel nice and smooth, real nice. Like the job. So I hope you guys get something. This don't have to be only for 6 colors. You could use it if you have a 2, 3 colors. But those are the steps to get set up and have no issues when it comes to printing. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.